Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C51 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all we have to switch to the video one because the settings are connected with the mode you've got currently set. So let's tap on the video. And then we have to tap on the settings which are in the right upper corner. As you can see in this video section, we've got the video size, so that's the option looking for. Let's tap on it. Here we've got three different options, two HDs, and we've got the difference in the p-value and also the SD option. It's up to you which option you want to use. I will pick, for example, this one, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution, the chosen size to record the videos. Of course, it's up to you which option you want to use, but I highly recommend to keep this option turned on as it is the best possible in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.